Happy Sunday, everybody. I got a few charts I want to go over with you. I used a yearly chart for anybody that watching the videos for the first time, and I referenced the 20-day, 50-day, and the 200-day moving average. So when you look at the charts, that's what I'm referring to. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence. So here we go. First one is HIRU. I love the stock. Traded very well back in the 007 range. Until the 20-day moving average started pushing this down all the way down to 0015 where it closed on Friday. I think if it can get above the 20-day moving average, test the 50 at 002, I like it. I like it a lot. If it pops over 002, I think this starts, to make its climb back up. But like I said, moving averages can really wreak havoc on the charts. They, as people look at it, once it gets below a moving average and it gets trapped below it, people move on, they sell off, and the stock is just completely oversold, in my opinion, at this stage. So get above that 002 range, then I think you got a winner here. So the next one is KITL 0039. Continues to close above the 20-day moving average, where it sits at 0036 at the moment. It's just continues to, test that 005 range. And I think if it can pop above 005 and start moving slightly higher, then it's got a shot to, possibly hit a penny. So it just keeps, trading at tight quarters at this range. The key is to get above 005 though. And some people, might sit and wait for that. That's not a bad decision because it can confirm a breakout. So play it accordingly. But I do like the chart heading into next week. The next one is CRCW 002. Continues to show strong support right at the 20-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is 0029. I think that's a realistic chance to go up and test that in near term, because it's riding the 20s is starting to become a very bullish sign, in my opinion. So a break above it, and I think it's got plenty of room to run. So keep this one on your radar, for this week. The next one is KOAN 001. It's a bottom chart play. I do highlight a lot of bottom chart plays because when the selling dries up and support is formed, you can turn into some real nice wins on these. So if the buyers step in and it tests the 50-day moving average at 002, I think it's going to start to really make some noise on this one. So granted that it's a 100% move from that level, but like I said, once bottom's found and that buyers kick in, it doesn't take long to move up to that level. So definitely watch that one this upcoming week. VMST is another one I like, 0279 it closed at. So that's basically just below 3 cents a share. Had a strong push off the 50-day moving average. It looks ready to test the highs in the chart right around the 3.4 cent range. I love how this rode up on the 20-day moving average all the way from the 008 range to up to that 3.4 range before some profit taking took place, which is completely normal. The chart looks very healthy, and it looks like it's ready for the next leg up. So I like that one a lot heading into this coming week. BIEI is my last one for now, 0017. I love how this has been breaking up the chart. It keeps testing 002 and it pulls back, test 002 again, pulls back. You break above 002 and a new set of eyes, a new set of traders jump on this one, I believe. So for me, the key is to break above the 2. So I would wait. Once you see a break, it confirms a strong move, and it's a great time to jump on board. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence. But if you like these videos, check some of the other ones out. I've had some nice strong runs of late. So hit a like, leave a comment, and have a good day, most importantly.